Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert ESD to WIM and WIM to ESD. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. Let's get started. First, open your browser, type POWERISO download, and press the enter key. Now open the first website in the search results. Download the 32-bit or 64-bit version according to your system. To check if your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit, go to the desktop, right-click this PC, and select Properties. Here, you can see whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. Now, download it according to your system. After downloading, go to the Downloads folder. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A new dialog box will open. Click on I agree. I'll click on Next. If you want to install Opera browser and Avast, click Accept, otherwise, click Decline. Now, select the installation location and click on Next. After the installation is complete, click on Next. And then click on Close. Now, go to the desktop, right-click on POWERISO, and select Run as Administrator. And here, select Continue Trial Versio. Now, go to Tools, and you will find the WIM ESD converter option. Click on it. Here, you will see the tabs, ESD to WIM and WIM to ESD. Click on ESD to WIM. Now, click on Browse and select your ESD file. Now, select the output location and click on Convert. The time to convert the ESD file to WIM depends on your PC's performance. After completion, click on Close. Now, go to the output location. Here, you will see that your ESD file has been converted to WIM. If you want to convert WIM to ESD, open POWERISO again, go to Tools, select WIM ESD Converter, and then go to the WIM to ESD tab. Here, click on Browse and select your .wim file. Select the output location for it and click on Convert. The conversion time also depends on your PC's performance. This way, you can convert any ESD file to WIM or WIM to ESD. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel.